Welcome to Pinvesting, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. Investors are increasingly focusing on early-stage housing projects to diversify their portfolios in the residential real estate sector. Previously concentrated on late-stage developments or those nearing completion, institutional investors are now allocating significant resources to projects in their initial phases, showing confidence in the long-term potential for growth and returns. This strategic shift reflects a deeper belief in the sector's resilience and the positive trends shaping the Indian real estate market. Experts point out that India's real estate regulatory environment, enhanced by reforms such as the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act (RERA), has played a pivotal role in boosting investor confidence. Transparency and accountability have improved, making early-stage investments, which were once viewed as higher risk, more attractive. Investors are now spreading their capital across different stages of development to mitigate risks and tap into a broader range of opportunities. Boman Irani, president of Credit National, highlights that India's housing market has remained resilient even during challenging economic conditions, which has encouraged institutional investors to explore various types of residential projects. This shift is seen as a risk mitigation strategy while simultaneously allowing investors to capture diverse opportunities in the sector. Vivek Rathi, National Director of Research at Knight Frank India, notes that affordability, strong consumer sentiment, and a robust regulatory ecosystem have driven long-term growth in both sales and prices. He points out that 2024 has seen a multi-year high in residential investments, driven by strong private equity inflows. The trend towards early-stage investments, particularly those involving land acquisition, securing permits, and initial construction, marks a significant change from a year ago when most investments were directed toward late-stage projects. This move toward early-stage, greenfield projects underscores the belief in the residential sector's strength and future potential. Investors are increasingly recognizing the opportunity for higher returns by entering at the foundational level, signaling confidence in the market's future trajectory. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.